Oh my god, it's been so long since we've done this. Let's moisturize those lips and get started. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for tuning back in. I know that it's been a while. Forgive me. I am, you know what, I'm not even gonna start with the excuses. Let's just baby steps. We're recording another video. This is gonna be a very short video, hopefully. But yeah, baby steps. I don't even want to get into the excuses of like, oh, I meant to record, but this happened and all this kind of stuff. Like, no, that's just, we're finally recording another video. We're uploading and we're just going to keep on pushing and recording more videos and getting more frequent uploads. I actually have a meeting, a video conference at 2 p.m. and all morning I have been watching YouTube videos, just a multitude of things. I've been watching Get Ready With Me's, Wash and Goes, just anything. I don't know if you guys are like me, but in order for you to like get motivated to do something, you have to like watch other people do it. Am I the only weirdo like that? Like, okay, for example, for my hair, this is just my Clean and Clear acting moisturizer, and there goes my cat playing with the squeaky toy because of course she wants to play with it right now. Lost my train of thought. Oh, I was saying, like, doing my hair, like, I don't know what it is, but it's like I have to watch other people's wash and goes and curly hair routines for like at least a couple of days. Okay, this is not going to work. I don't even remember. I just had to get up and take the toy from the cat, and I don't even remember what I was saying. You know, I didn't want to look like dry and dull on camera, so I was like, let me just throw in a little bit, like the tiniest little bit of makeup. And because I just kind of had a little bit of motivation from watching like other YouTubers and stuff this morning, I was like, why not? I'm just gonna record it also. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is an oldie but a goodie. I know everybody out there has probably used this. Oh, I should totally fill in my brows first. It's okay. This makeup look is going to be very minimal. I just wanted to put something on because, like I said, I'm going to be on camera, and even though my life is in shambles, I don't want it to look like my life is in shambles. We're concealing all the shambles with makeup and just making it look like we've been over here living our best life during lockdown. I do have a clean, wet beauty blender in my hand while I'm doing this, and yeah, this is going to be a very minimal makeup look, just something to throw on because I'm having to show my face for this Zoom meeting. And yes, I do work from home. It probably looks like I'm applying a lot, you guys. I don't know why it looks like so much on camera, but I promise it's not. Like, I was barely even squeezing the tube to get it to come out. But yeah, so I just wanted to record and come on, and I don't know, I just felt like it was a good reason to upload a video and talk to my little 10 subscribers. Hey y'all, what's up? How you doing? So yeah, I'm just blending that in. I keep looking like to my left over here instead of like at you guys, so forgive me. It's just kind of, it's a hard habit to break. I'm technically doing this on my lunch break, y'all. So in my mind, I was like, oh, I'll be able to record a quick video, you know, and edit it after work. That was easier said than done because it was traumatizing just trying to get started. I kept forgetting things, and I couldn't find my stand, and then I couldn't figure out how to position my phone. It was a lot, but we made it. We're here, and we're together, and we're talking, and yeah, everything's good. I'm using this Wet n Wild. This is an old Wet n Wild pencil. It was the Color Icon brow pencil in dark brown. If you ever purchase this thing, or if you ever see this thing in the stores, it is a long pencil, like, which is why I still have some of it, is because it's so long. Are in desperate need of a grooming right now, so they're kind of, you know, they're a little unkept right now, but y'all, this is totally not what my normal makeup routine would be. But what is even a normal makeup routine, seriously, because who even gets to wear makeup like that anymore? I literally just smudged some eyeliner on my nail. But yeah, I have a ton of makeup, you guys, so I'm just literally grabbing whatever I touch first to apply some makeup. I pretty much know how to work with everything that I have, so it's fine. Black Opal, it's not a translucent powder, it's my skin tone. It's a deluxe finishing powder, that's what it's called. You can't really see it, but this is the Black Opal powder, and I'm just kind of setting that concealer. This does have like a little bit of color if you use too much, so I'm not using too much. I'm using just enough. Probably doesn't even really look like I've put anything on. That's the point. Like, I don't want to like get on camera and like have like a full beat face like I'm about to go to a bar, but I also don't want to get on camera and, you know, like my dark circles are like super prominent and it, you know, I look tired and like I haven't slept or anything, just because camera can sometimes pick that up. If you work from home, you know what I mean. It's a struggle. Like, I find myself looking into my camera like, oh God, I look so tired. I should have put some kind of concealer or something on. And of course your coworkers aren't going to tell you. They're going to be like, yeah, it's so great to see you. Oh my God, I haven't seen you since last month. It's a good excuse to kind of, you know, just make yourself feel like you again. This, not saying that we need makeup. It's just, makeup is just a thing. Makeup was my thing pre-COVID, you know, and ever since COVID has gotten here, makeup is the last thing that I am even bothered with. I'm not even gonna be like applying blush and contour and all that stuff. I'm probably gonna keep it simple with this powder and this concealer. I was even gonna put on some lashes, but I'm like, I'm not doing all that. I'm just taking that same Black Opal finishing powder, y'all, and like I said, it does have a little bit of coverage if you're heavier, if you use a heavier hand with it. So I'm just taking this fluffy Real Techniques brush and I'm just dusting that powder all over my face. And honestly, y'all, for any of y'all out there that also work from home and, you know, maybe you want to do the same thing, you want to just kind of make your face look a little bit more lively for a Zoom call, but you don't necessarily have the time to sit there and do all of that, just do something like this. Put some concealer on under your eyes, you know, throw a little bit of powder on your face. I feel like you can still see some of the like lines of demarcation and discoloration on my skin. So I don't know, let's see if we can fix that. And yes, I just applied powder, but I'm about to break the golden rule and put some concealer right over it because I just don't feel like I have enough coverage. I just don't feel like it's there for me. I'm not going crazy with this. I'm just trying to get rid of some of that darkness. And I feel like you can see where, because I'm at home all the time, I wear my glasses a lot. And I feel like because it's been such an extended amount of time, it's starting to make a permanent indentation in my nose. So I need to get rid of that. And I don't know if y'all have noticed, the only tool I've been using this entire time is my beauty blender. See, with makeup, when you break rules like that, when you put liquid or cream on top of powder, the reason why it's a no-no is because somebody somewhere didn't blend like they were supposed to, but we don't do that over here. If we don't do nothing else, we blend. And always remember, if the tools that you're using don't seem to be working, switch it up. Go back to your bread and butter, to your fingers. I feel like that helped a little bit. I have such darkness on the sides of my face, y'all. It just bothers me so bad. This was not supposed to, I wasn't supposed to be that like picky about this. It was literally just supposed to be a little bit of coverage and call it a day, but of course that's not gonna happen. And of course, because I went in with a little bit more of that cream concealer, I've got to make sure that I set it. Y'all, I apologize Well, not in advance because we're almost 20 minutes into this video, but I apologize if I've been like all over the place. I haven't talked to y'all in so long, and so I just feel like my conversation has just kind of been all over the place. I just wanted to show you guys like what part of working from home has been like for me, even all the way down to my makeup routine being like super duper simplified. Like, has it been like that for anybody else out there? Like, are there things that you used to do like to the max that you have just really learned how to just simplify? I feel like some of y'all are gonna watch this video and be like, that's it? Like, that's all you do? It's just enough to make me look awake and hi everybody and blah 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 and so happy to be here. It's just enough. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. This will definitely help wake up your eyes if you're on camera. This is the Maybelline oldie but goodie Great Lash Mascara. You find yourself wanting to like look a little bit more awake on camera if you're working from home but you're not really quite sure, try something like this. Throw some brows on. I even say the same thing on my TikTok page. Feel free to go follow me. Working from home for so long and there's just stuff you used to do that you don't do anymore, throw some brows on. You know, throw on a little bit of mascara. Little things, y'all, little things. If you're like me and you used to be one of those people that did a full face of makeup, but you know, it just doesn't happen anymore, baby step your way back into your makeup routine. Start with your brows. Throw on some lashes. If you're not a false lash person, mascara. Throw on some brows and some lashes. Do that for a couple of weeks. You know, go out in public, go to the grocery store. Just little things to help kind of bring back your appearance a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. As I'm taking my hair down, I see that I dropped a whole bunch of finishing powder on my wig. This is a twist out. I had these twists in for 2 weeks, and I just took them out yesterday, and this is just how it's looking. All I did last night when I got home, because I went out for a brief second, but when I got home, I just literally put it up in a pineapple last night, and I slept on it. So no, I did not film a video on this because, again, I'm working on it. I started doing this lately, like tucking my hair behind my ears to try to give it some shape, and I feel like that helps a little bit. So yeah, that's it. Super duper simple routine. Concealer, brows, a little bit of powder to set it, some lip balm, and some mascara, and you can see like the huge difference that it made. This has just been my super duper simple, I feel like I have said super a lot in the past few seconds, so my apologies, but this has been my super simple makeup routine for working from home during the pandemic, during COVID. You know, if you've been trying to find a way to get some of those makeup steps back into your day just to kind of bring some life back into your face, try it. Throw in some concealer, fill in your brows, throw in some mascara, do little tiny things, you know, and work your way back up to it. We'll get back there, I promise. Because I've been struggling with it because I love my makeup. I love playing in my makeup. So not being able to do that, or not really having a reason to do that this past year, has been a struggle for me. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you've been struggling with, or if you've tried to take any kind of little baby steps to, you know, try to put some gusto back into your makeup routine, or did your makeup routine just completely diminish? I don't know. Let me know down below. And yeah, feel free to hit the subscribe button. I would love for you to subscribe and join my Curlyburly gang. The more the merrier, so come on over. And yeah, until the next video, which will not be in another 6 months, it's gonna be sooner. Seriously, it's gonna be sooner. Until the next video, you guys have a good one. Mwah. Stay safe. Bye.